We head back to some news now. Look at this. We now know the name of a child killed in the tornadoes that struck Middle Tennessee over the weekend. 10-year-old Arlen Burnham was at home in Clarksville during the storm Saturday when his house collapsed, trapping him and his young sister under the rubble. A neighbor pulled those children from the debris, but Arlen didn't make it. A GoFundMe page for the family has raised nearly $150,000 in donations. The fourth grader was one of 6 people killed in the storms across that state. A lot of damage there.